Would you like to say anything to my vlog?
What? I didn't hear.
A little bit confusing.
Crazy.
Good morning. We are in Solvang. Apparently, it's a Danish settlement here in California. It looks very much like a slice of Europe and Denmark. This is on the way to LA. It's a small, cute little town in the middle. If you're driving to LA, you must make a stop to Solvang. Looks like there's a lot of Danish bakeries in and around here. We came here to stop and check out their Danish bakeries and have some breakfast. Are you excited to try Danish pastries?
Excited to eat something.
Looks like இங்க நிறைய எல்லாமே ஸ்வீட்டா தான் இருக்கு. Okay, time for taste.
Is this soft Danish?
What's this?
No, not have.
Cream cheese Danish. Quite sweet. Already ரொம்ப sweet ஆச்சு.
That's sweet.
Very sweet. It's nice.
You're finding it sweet
Yes.
though.
Okay, let's try the what's this custard? Nice only. Madam, sweet burger. I can't taste anything else. If you're a big sweet tooth, you'll love it. You love it, no? So we finished Solvang and now we're back on our way to LA. But the amount of lanes and the lefts and rights in here is so confusing that we're so used to all the lanes in India and New Zealand now, and there's like minimum 3 lanes here and we're just so confused looking at the maps. We almost did like 1 or 2 U-turns at the same spot because we missed or we took a right before we had to take the correct right. I don't know if that makes sense, and I don't know if this happens to anyone else, but we're struggling a bit driving here. I think he's enjoying the drive, but it's just a little bit confusing. 2 hours left to LA, and look at this. It was so sunny all this while, and suddenly it's so foggy.
Hi there.
Like a general preferred or front gate.
What is the preferred parking? What does that mean?
So this would be the entrance. Preferred right now is an elevator way for the 55.
Okay.
General is at the opposite end, about quarter mile.
Okay. We'll do for the preferred, please.
It'll be 55.
So that's how the preferred parking looks like. So it's just based on how close you are to the entry. So this seems to be somewhere in the middle. We are in Universal Studios Hollywood. This is how you enter. It's a nice sunny day. Coming in early so that enter on ordne we can go to Hogwarts World. But looks like a lot of people are here. Usually it's not the greatest peak season time now, but அதுக்கே இவ்வளோ கூட்டம் இருக்குன்னா அப்போ ஜென்ரலாக season time அப்போ I don't know how crowded it will be. We've entered Universal Studios, and for any Potterhead, the first stop has to be Hogwarts. And we just made it, and I am so speechless right now. We were so lucky that in Hogwarts we didn't really have any waiting time. But everywhere else, minimum be ready to wait for what 30 minutes. And shout out to my friend Varun who helped us because he is the one who told us that first enter Anoni, go to Hogwarts, finish off that. Is where one of the most biggest queues are gonna be because it was so magical. It was honestly one of the best experiences. It can hypnotize you. If you're going to Universal Studios, I think Hogwarts is the best. We've come into Krusty Land, which is apparently the Simpsons thrill ride, which again had a waiting of 35 minutes. Let's see how that goes. Would you like to say anything to my vlog?
Huh? What? I didn't hear.
I think after going on a roller coaster, sitting on the Simpsons ride was not a roller coaster, so it felt like not as thrilling. But if you really love Simpsons, you might enjoy it. But for me, it was like it's basically you're sitting in the same place. It's not moving. It's just simulating up and down our back. So it was okay.
Like a necklace or just hold it in your hand like what cute little accessory it is.
We are now in the sets of New York. Apparently, they don't use these for shooting scenes in New York. They use it for Chicago or San Francisco. But most of the scenes that we see that are shot in movies are just from here. So cool. That is crazy. It was such an absolute delight. I loved it. It was a 1 hour ride, but didn't even feel like.
I really like the movie sets.
Yeah, I think this roller coaster was the best for me, more than Harry Potter. Thrill wise, right?
Yeah.
I was like, it's not going fast, and he's like, it's going to go high speed. Before he could finish,
Yeah.
we have just stopped for a quick snack. This is a brookie and a vegan peanut butter cookie.
A few moments later.
Manawe. Mario World was 10 on 10, you must go. You might like the ride too, which you have to wait for a long time, but Mario World, as soon as you enter, that was just so good. Also have a lot of these fans here which keep blowing out cold water dew. So yeah, so cooling, feels like an AC standing next to this. Excuse me, what?
See you, Footprint Ronald, and raise you one talking donkey.
Legs are paining. I I thought Universal Studios was all about thrills and rides, but I was not prepared to see this Waterworld stunt show. I haven't heard of this movie, or I might have, and எனக்கு தெரியல சீரியஸா Waterworld அப்படின்னு. It's apparently a 1995 film. 30 years that they've been doing this show, and every time it leaves people amused. So I'm kind of really excited to see what this is. Have you watched Waterworld?
Yeah.
Do
It's
you
a
like
good
it?
movie,
It's a
yeah.
really good movie. Okay.
Close the gates! Matt, people look out! Cover it! Break in the wall! Cover it!
You see that thing that's coming in 2026? Roller coaster or Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. And that's it from me. Thanks for watching the Universal Studios Hollywood vlog. See you next time.